kibuga. Tawafiki Bucha abasangibwa ku luguudo lwa Salaam okumpi ne Makindye Senior Secondary School okulira na Pearline Primary School ngukirira ku Charles City. Batunda ennyama ennungi ng'ate eri fresh. Weetaaga ya mikolo, weetaaga ya waka, ogyetaaga luddawa. Era mu bipimo kika ki? Bakubira essimu bajja gikutuusaako wonna w'ogyetaaze essaawa yonna. Okumanya ebisingawo kubira Tawfik Bucha ku nnamba eno ku 0752 23 89 33 oba 0774 73 45 85. Tawfik Bucha tweweeyo kuweereza essaawa 24.
By a Ugandan team, and that is St. Mary's College Chisubi that met King's College Budo in the finals. It was so heartwarming to see two Ugandan teams debate in an Africa debate finals. I want to call upon government, I want to call upon the President of the Republic of Uganda, I want to call upon different organizations to come on board and support these students. These students qualified to participate in an international tournament in Harvard next year in March. We call upon you to let these children's dream become a reality, because without this, they will probably be frustrated. They will probably lose very brilliant assets for this country. We call upon you to nurture the talent, the skill of these young people, because this is what is going to eventually benefit us as a country. Every time they go out, they speak so many good things about this country, and that also attracts very many of their colleagues to want to come to Uganda and see what Uganda looks like. Notice then that this helps us as a country attract more tourists, simply because these young children go out and represent our country and they perform to the best of their ability. They win trophies, they take medals, they do excellent work. And we think that their effort should not be taken for granted. We think their effort should be appreciated. We think their effort should be supported by all of us. Again, a call to action. Let us come through. Let us support the dream of these children. Let us support the future leaders of this country, because as time passes, a new generation is coming. Thank you very much.
My name is Melissa Hope. I am a student of Green Hill Academy, and with me I have...
My name is Kiara Birungi. I'm also a student of Green Hill Academy.
Yeah. So going to South Africa for us was a different experience. It was a very opportunistic thing for us, because not very many students could afford this privilege or have the opportunity to do this, and most of all, the hard work it took to get there. It was merit, honestly, and we are so grateful. We're so grateful for our parents who helped fund this, our school, our coaches who helped teach us. It has been a very wonderful experience. I think Kara can tell you more about it.
Yes, the experience in South Africa opened our eyes to new cultures, opened our eyes to new opportunities, gave us hope to achieve better things. It gave us a new light in which to look at, and gave us reason to have more determination in the things we do. So this trip to South Africa wasn't just a trip for us. It was something that has opened our future for the better good.
My name is Namanja Victoria, and I'm from Green Hill Academy. We recently went to South Africa to attend the Jersey Shore tournament, where we qualified for semi-finals as Green Hill Academy. We got a lot of things from this experience. We won a lot of medals, and we got to experience other countries and even expand our talents and our passions for debate and public speech. And we loved it so much that we even qualified to go for a tournament in Harvard and to get a new experience. I believe that this is good, and I believe debate is good because, first of all, it allows youth to be part of a bigger picture. It allows youth to get empowered, because when we discuss these problems, at the end of the day, we are finding solutions for them, and we are going to be the presidents and governors of tomorrow. Another thing is, it first of all
helped us to learn a lot from them. It helped us to learn a lot from them. We also, this year, we received an invitation. We received an invitation to participate in a debate tournament that is going to be taking place next year in March in Harvard. It is actually a very great opportunity for us, the young debaters of Uganda. It is actually going to be a chance to showcase our talent to the global world. It is actually a good chance to show to the world the great speakers that are from Uganda, the great young minds that are from Uganda. These are the first, as for me, the thing that made me to like debating. The first, I interacted with a debater, yes. You know, these are people who can think. These are people who can make the smallest thing become like that, something very huge. These are people who can think. These are people who have that. Their thinking is actually great. You might say this is actually a finger. They might actually they make you think. Okay, they speak beyond a finger. That, as you may see, they speak beyond what you see. You may actually see it only as a finger, but they speak beyond as a finger. They tell you more about it that you don't know. These are people with great minds. Their creativity is too great. This is something that made me to love debating. This is something that made me to join debating. I would like to call upon all the government officials, all the ministers, all the people of high positions